What's up, guys? We are back here at BBV Power Sports finding some bags for the bike. So far we got this is the newer style bags, this is the older style bags. It's more flat. This one is like a more roundy typey one. Then they got like the inner fairings, and then they got the new fairings with the AC vent in them right there in the middle. So that's cool. Definitely think I need like a new crash bar too, so we'll see. I need a gas tank as well. They got gas tanks, just gotta find a gloss black one, get that all situated. Might be able to pull that gas tank out, that dent in that gas tank out. I don't know, we'll check it out. They got a bunch of seats, all type of stuff back here. That's crazy. Definitely want to get a new crash bar because I think mine's is bent up just a little bit. They got bars, all type of stuff back here. This is crazy. Look at this fairing. This is the fairing I want right here with the AC slit. What's up, guys? Welcome back. And if you see them in a bag main, we got some bags for the Harley. We found a gas tank. We didn't pick up the gas tank yet, but we did find a gas tank for like $3.50 or something. I'm gonna wait till I get paid by YouTube and cash out in the next couple days or so. But yeah, we pretty much got all our little parts. I'm gonna have my dad ship me the front fender. He has like a wraparound fender that's really cool. I just got to get it painted, so that's saving money right there. And then get a new like crash bar. I honestly think mine's is kind of bent a little bit, so we'll get a new one of those. But yeah, for the most part, everything is pretty much coming together. You have the bags there, and then we have the new gas tank. Pretty much looks exactly the same as the other ones, just without that dent, of course. Let's get to the house and throw these bags on and see how good it looks. And our kickstand has arrived, so let's go throw that on as well. Alrighty, guys, we got that kickstand. Let's go try to put this thing on. Alrighty, guys, so we got our kickstand. It actually came with more than what we needed, but we'll go try to put this on and get those bags on really quick. Alrighty, guys, we are back here. We got this kickstand about to get swapped out as soon as she bring the key down. Then I got the bags in there. We're gonna throw that on there, see how it work out for us. Alrighty, guys, and just like that, we got our kickstand. So let's test it out and see if it actually works or not. Let's see. Alrighty, guys, we finally got that kickstand on there and it's held up, so now I can actually really video the bike for you and get some good footage. So yeah, let's get it. Alrighty, guys, we're just about almost done here. We got the kickstand on and we got the right bag on, the left bag on. That looks really, really good. Wow, guys, fit on there pretty easy and snug. Now time to do this side. To the other side, we took these little clips off right here, took both of those clips off, and then we put the new clips in there. I'll show you right now. Then we got the new clips right here that attach to the inside of the bag, which is pretty cool. So let's get that other bag on really quick. And guys, just like that, she looks whole again. We got our kickstand there. They got a new gas tank for us that's not put on yet. We do we are pretty much planning on getting that next couple of days. But guys, look at the bags on this thing. It looks freaking flawless, clean. Now we can wipe it down and get you some walk around video of it running, so on and so forth. So let's get it. And so in the process of getting my bike ready again, we got the movers coming to get the big couch. The new couch we just got is too big, so they came with another one and swapped it out for us. Alrighty, guys, here it is. Harley Davidson. Ooh, it sounds good, don't it?